Hello guys, it's a beautiful morning and it has been snowing, as you can see. So it has been snowing quite a lot tonight actually. So today we are going to, ice racing on a track nearby, not a lake like I did last time, but we're going on a track today, so that'll be pretty fun. So still we're gonna use the winter beater that I have right here. So let's warm it up. I have my helmet. Okay. One hand. Oh. Well, no good. This is actually not good. Imagine all the wetness inside the car now. So it's gonna be a beautiful... We can start the car up first. See if it even starts. Did I bring my keys? No, I did not bring my keys. Okay, let's get my keys and I will get back to you. Yeah. Ready for a beautiful day? Let's go. Yeah, E46. Okay, first round done. It was not so good conditions. Some places really slippery and some places not so slippery at all. So we're now waiting for a guy over there getting a tow. Yeah, you can't...
You f***ed up.
He f***ed up. So he's getting a tow, that's why we can't ride on the track.
Fuck.
Yeah. So we're just waiting for next round. Nothing to worry about. are now done for the day, and the car survived pretty good. Used a lot of diesel, but that's alright. The fenders actually survived also. They look pretty good, so that's good. Everybody here uses their winter car. I'm using my daily beater, so it's good. The one thing that concerns me is this. It's, yeah, all of a sudden this was like that, but I'm just tucking it there. I assume it's for this, but yeah, the car survives. And the front bumper also, I think, is good. Yeah, looks decent. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more, and like the video if you did like the video, and I will see you later. Bye.